Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best biscuit joiners that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the PorterCable 557. Offered at a surprisingly modest price for the features included, this powerful and robust biscuit joiner from PorterCable is a favorite among users and has everything that the professional woodworker needs to tackle complex joining jobs. The joiner comes with a standard 4-inch diameter cutting blade, but it is worth noting that PorterCable separately sells a 2-inch diameter blade for this joiner that is capable of making cuts as small as 1.5 inches when needed. The blades can spin at up to 10,000 revolutions per minute thanks to the powerful 7-amp, 120-volt motor at the heart of the joiner. The result is that users find that this joiner is able to easily cut through even the knottiest of hardwoods. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lamelo Classic X101600. This biscuit joiner from Lamelo was designed with the professional in mind, but the high price can put it out of reach for some hobbyists. The tool is described as the Cadillac of plate joiners, and lives up to its reputation for quality, ease of use, and accuracy. The Lamelo's slide shoe, fencing, and multi-function strip square are all milled from the same piece of metal, the only plate joiner to use this construction method, to provide incredible durability and accuracy. The fencing has 12 individual depth halts that allow you to use nearly any biscuit you can find at your local hardware store without changing the cutting tool. Plus, the fencing pivots to more stops, 5 in total, between 0 and 90 degrees than nearly any other biscuit joiner on the market today, and is capable of extending out to 135 degrees when working on complex miter joints. Users also appreciated the second fence on the tool, which makes it easy to use the joiner in a vertical orientation when needed. At number 3, we have the Makita PJ7000. Although this small and lightweight biscuit joiner from Makita features a smaller motor than many of the other joiners in our top 7 list, don't let this dissuade you from this feature-packed joiner. The 5.6-amp, 700-watt motor is still capable of rotating the 4-inch diameter blade at up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, and users noted that it provides plenty of power, even when cutting through knotty hardwoods. One drawback for professional woodworkers, though, is that the joiner does not accept 2-inch diameter blades for making small cuts. That said, users loved the blade cover on this joiner, which does not require any tools in order to access and change out the blade for a fresh cut. At number 2, we have the Vanos 8.5-amp plate joiner. This biscuit joiner from Vanos is extraordinarily inexpensive, but can get most simple cuts done for woodworkers who don't need a joiner extremely frequently. The 8.5-amp motor adds some weight to this joiner compared to more expensive models, but is capable of spinning the 4-inch diameter blade to 10,000 revolutions per minute in order to cut through most hardwoods without catching or kicking. However, users note that the blade dulls relatively quickly and can take several minutes to replace in between cuts. In addition, the joiner is not capable of accepting a 2-inch diameter blade for making small cuts, as required by many professional woodworkers. And finally at number 1, we have the Gino Development TruePower 0102. For the budget-friendly price, it's hard for hobbyists to argue with this biscuit joiner from Gino Development. The 1010-watt motor spins the included 4-inch diameter cutting blade at 11,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring that the joiner will get the job done quickly on nearly any type of wood you use it on. Note that the joiner will not accept 2-inch blades, although users opting for this inexpensive joiner likely will not need to make miniature biscuit joints frequently. Users did not love the quality of the included blade, noting that it would burn delicate woods when making cuts, but this is relatively easy to upgrade after purchasing the joiner.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.